All right, let's give this another shot. So first off, I'll be cleaning off the old like paste that I used to glue it together with. So it's like this red stuff. I'll just see if it will come off. It came off of the rubber very easy, so that's good. The metal, it is a bit harder. Okay, so this side is now done, the underside here is done. So I will reposition a bit so I can get on top and on the other side, but that's quite hard to film. All right, the second time trying to put this on. So what I will do instead now is to put this one over first, bolt these bolts on there, partially, not all the way, and fill this crack with the packing stuff. And then what I will do is to, when the bolts are already tightened, to put it over the edge at the back here and put it behind the edge in the front here so that it's all connected. But before I put it over the edge, I will of course put on the silicone again that I just removed, the old one at least. So yeah, so all of the old silicone is removed as best as possible, and then yeah, let's give it a shot. All right, so now I can open this still up to have a slight gap, and I can fill it up with some silicone. But first I'll put the silicone here and on the back right here. And then we'll try to put this one over the lip here. All right, let's give it a shot. All right, so I got you guys in a different position. So this is the ring where this lip has to go over. So you have an edge here, and here you have the smaller edge. So what I'll do first is I will add the silicone to the smaller one. I will glide the rubber over it so that it's tight here, and then I will insert the clamp so it will be tight on this edge at least, and then I will put the silicone in this valley right here, and then I will try to put this edge over this ridge. All right, let's get started. That one is on there right now. So now I'll just get one extra bolt. Right. I just hope that this bolt is long enough. Let me try that first. So I move this one a bit over. Do I have a longer bolt? Yes, I have these, but they are not the same size. It will have to do. I'll try it with that one bolt. That will fit, but it is a bit short, so I'll see if we can make it work. But yeah. All right, so that's on that side. Now this clamp will go over, like so. And yeah, that bolt is not going to fit there. I can already see that. Yeah, no. But at least the sealing is working, because I can see the sealant coming out. So it is a proper seal right now. So that's good. All right, so I found an old bolt from the tent. And that one is actually the right size and long enough as well. All right, so that's one side clamped down. That will not move. I'll just go with my finger around so that it is all smoothed out. All right, so that one is tied down. I'll change my glove and then we'll try the other side. To give you guys some perspective, I'll fill this gap with the sealant again. And then we'll try to maneuver this edge over it around the entire perimeter. I might need to disconnect one screw maybe here so that it's easier to do so, maybe the last screw. So yeah, so this one is tightened and I'm very, very happy about that. So yeah. Yeah, let's get started with that one. So I'll first fill in the void again with the stuff. I'm out of stuff, but yeah, it's on there. And now I'll change gloves again, because I don't want to have this shit all over the place. And I will put the last part over the lip. So that's that side. Ow! Over it. It seems like it's around now. So now we can put in the big spring. Or the big clamp, or whatever you want to call it. I need even longer bolts. Who would have thought that? How can I do this? I think this clamp did help to bring it better together. Okay, now they want to go through each other at least. If this bolt only was 1 centimeter longer. Oh, yeah. I know I don't have any longer bolts than this. Would that work? If I have the bolt in there, then I put the C-clamp on the edge. Okay, it works. It works, ladies and gentlemen. I was just trying to get more out of it than that actually needed. I was like, I want to have the nut to grip something, but okay, I'll try it again. This is the way.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hello. Okay. Well, you guys made a good drop, but it's still working. So, a different C-clamp that's got a bigger hard base, so the nut actually fits in it. Yes. 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 The nut is on. Okay. Heading down, tightening. All right, so that's the rubber sleeve replaced. Yeah, I will just get my gloves and just wipe away some of the extra stuff so it's completely sealed. All right, thank you for watching. The rubber thing is back in place. I will buy off camera a bit more of the red stuff, the sealant, and then I will put that in between the 6 bolts on the side because those will need to be tightened still. But I'll do that off camera because yeah, you guys have seen me tightening bolts. So yeah, on to the next project. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave any feedback in the comments. See you later.